Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss on the imperative sentence. How to change an imperative sentence from active to passive. Look at here. The sentence which is used to convey order, a request, advice, etc. is called an imperative sentence. So, imperative sentence convey some order, some request or advice. This kind of sentence we call the imperative sentence. So imperative sentence क्या है? जिस सेंटेंस में ऑर्डर, रिक्वेस्ट, एडवाइस ये सब सेंटेंस में रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, उस टाइप को सेंटेंस को आप लोग imperative सेंटेंस कह सकते हैं. So there are some rules to convert or to change the imperative sentence from active to passive. So the first one is if the verb in active voice express orders, request, advice, etc. the word let is usually placed at the beginning of the passive voice and the be verb is placed before the past participle form of the verb. It means if the imperative sentence expresses order, request or advice, this kind of sense is conveyed from through an active through the sentence, particularly imperative sentence, then you can use let at the beginning of the passive voice and be verb is placed before the past participle form of the verb, that means the third form of the verb in passive voice. मतलब imperative sentence को एक्टिव से पैसिव करने के लिए पहले आप लोग को क्या करना होगा? पैसिव वॉइस करने से लेट से शुरू होगा सेंटेंस, फिर जो भार्ब होगा, जो V3 करना होगा, भार्ब को पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म उस भार्ब से पहले बी यूज करना होगा. Now the second one is if the sentence begins with please in active voice, you are requested to is used in the passive voice. So if the imperative sentence begins with please, then you have to change the particular sentence from active to passive by starting you are requested to. मतलब अगर एक्टिव वॉइस में सेंटेंस प्लीज से यूज होगा तो आप लोगों को यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू से सेंटेंस को स्टार्ट करना होगा पैसिव वॉइस में. अनदर फॉर्म ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस इज with the verb should and be. Another form of passive voice in the imperative sentence should और be से भी हो सकता है. So these are some rules of active to passive in imperative sentence. Now look at the example and it will be clear to you. Do the work. So it is the active voice, do the work. So let's start with the word let this work be done. So the main verb is do, so past participle of the verb done, verb is done, then be is used before the past participle of the verb, like this one. So be verb is used in the passive voice before the past participle form of the verb. Okay, let this work be done. Shut the door. Similarly, let the door be shut, be is used before the past participle form of the word shut. So the shut main verb, participle form of the verb is also shut. Please do this work. So here the sentence begins with please, so you have to start with you are requested to. So in the passive voice you are requested to do this work, so you are requested to do this work. So here past participle form of the verb will not be used because of to के बाद पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब नहीं होता, मेन वर्ब भी होता है. सो यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू डू दिस वर्क. प्लीज डू नॉट स्मोक, हेयर नॉट इज यूज्ड, सो यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड नॉट टू स्मोक. सो हेयर नॉट इज प्लेस्ड बिफोर टू. सो कीप इट माइंड व्हेन यू आर गिवन अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस इन इंपैरेटिव सेंटेंस with begins with please, so you have to change you are requested not to smoke, so not is placed before to, not to smoke. Obey your teacher. Yeah, it is another kind of imperative sentence. Obey your teacher. Your teacher should be obeyed. Here should be is used, should be obeyed. So this in this way you can change from active to passive voice of imperative sentence. Now let's proceed to the passive voice of the to object. When there is to object of active voice, how can you change a particular sentence from active to passive? इन सच केसेस क्या होगा, इन सच केसेस एनी ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट मे बिकम द सब्जेक्ट. सो इन सच केसेस you can take any object from these two and you can change the particular sentence from active to passive. So direct object or personal object is preferred for the subject. So direct object, it is preferable for the direct object to take it as subject. Now look at the example. Bipin gave me a pen. Bipin gave me a pen. So a subject is Bipin, gave me a pen and a me and a pen, two objects. So you can take this anyone from this two. So I take first me, so it converts to I. So sentence is past participle form. So was given a pen by Bipin. You can another, if you take a pen, then start is a pen was given me by Bipin. So you can change it in two way, by taking me as object and then by taking a pen. So you can take two passive. Here it will be two passive. So two passive is correct. So तुम्हारा जो दो पैसिव है, ये दो पैसिव ही टू पैसिव आर ऑल्सो करेक्ट. दोनों पैसिव ठीक है जो तुम लिखना चाहो. They handed me a gift. He was handed a gift by them. They handed him a gift. So him subject, he was handed past tense. So was is used. Handed past participle from the verb handed. A gift by them. So they become them. If you take give, so a gift was handed him by them. So in this way you can change active to passive. So you can change this kind of sentence with two objects by taking one of them as a subject, and you can change this active to passive. So there will be two answers, and two answers is also considered. You can write any one of these two. Okay, thank you. Next day we will proceed another sentence like interrogative sentence, and thank you.